Hello! We are making another slime video. We'll be making crunchy slime. Woo! For the ingredients you would need, obviously, Elmer's glue, detergent. I would choose liquid Tide because I heard that borax, if you touch it, it's supposed to give you a rash or something. So this is much safer and better. So yeah. And you would also need a mixing utensil. I have a fork. You would need a bowl. I'm just gonna empty all of this into this bowl. I have a second camera over here, which is this thingy, and I will show you on there. So here's my bowl and my glue. So I'm just gonna empty the whole thing out. Then I poured some of my glue water into here, and I'm gonna close it, and I'm going to shake it. So then so I heard that you're supposed to put food dye right now because it'll be easier to mix. I'll try green today. I'm going to put 1 drop. Ooh. So now I will mix it. Right now, this thing is the Tide that we had in our last video, so I'm just gonna like scoop it. So I will start mixing, and then I will add more as I go. I will add even more Tide. And I'll just be mixing it. And I'll knead it with my fingers. I want 2 black skinny straws, and I will mix it with the slime. We'll be cutting them with scissors. Now, time to put in the straws. So I'm just gonna put it inside. I'm just gonna mix it. Oh yeah, also enjoy this video of me just playing with slime, so it's kind of like slime ASMR. I am making Honeydew Boba crunchy slime. I got my Boba. I'm going to be pouring it into this cup. Look like Boba slime. So this is what my Boba looks like. And I will be dumping the Honeydew part into the Boba cup. So this is what I have in my Boba cup. And I will put my Honeydew slime that I made inside my Boba cup. So then it looks like I'm sipping the last part of my Boba. So that is the end of my video, and this is how to make slime. I thought it would be more crunchier than this, but I guess I have to use bigger size straws, so maybe I'll do that in another video. Please hit that like button and subscribe down below. And bye. Oh no, it's stuck to my pencils. Ow. Okay, bye.